Hi everyone, it's Tarnished Treasures and I'm making blueberry biscuits. I preheated the oven to 425 degrees. I have a 9-inch pan and I put 2 tablespoons of butter in there. I had salted butter, but I really think unsalted would be good. I don't wait until the oven is preheated. As soon as I turn it on, I put it in there, and then when the butter melts, I pull it out. Now I'm going to start to do the batter. I've got half a cup of sour cream. The original recipe calls for half a cup of Sprite. Well, I never have Sprite or soda on hand. So what I did as a substitute, which works out perfectly, is 2 tablespoons of sugar and then half a cup of a lemon or lime seltzer water. Next is Bisquick. I did 2 1/4 cups, and Bisquick is a flour that's got leaveners mixed in. Someone had asked me that before who lived in a different country. So here I'm adding the seltzer water, so that's basically it. So I just mixed it together with the fork. It just takes a couple seconds. Recipe said don't over mix it. And then last thing is a cup of frozen blueberries. And I had these a while ago for a recipe, so I'm trying to use up things in the freezer, and I came up with this idea, did a few little tweaks compared to the original recipe, and it's turned out great every time. So here's the butter that's melted in the pan, and I don't want to have to roll out and flour the countertop and then clean it up. So what I do is I just formed 6 even-sized balls, and I kept them in the bowl that I mixed the batter in, so I could kind of make sure they were all the same size. I did 5 on the outside and 1 in the center. You can see when they cook, they really spread out and fill up that whole pan. So maybe it's not the most appetizing looking biscuit and perfectly round, but I'd rather they taste good. So I'm testing it here. The original recipe said 14 to 18 minutes, but there was no way that these were going to cook in that amount of time. So I would say it was 20 minutes and I checked it, and the center one still needed a little bit more time. So I might have even gone up to 24 minutes or so. So I'd say definitely start checking it at about 20 minutes. This is the second batch that I made. I did it a little different and a little bit more like the original recipe yesterday. Some more tweaks today. Basically, they were the same. I mean, they were amazing. That's why I had to refilm and share this. The top is crunchy like a biscuit, and the bottom has the brown from the butter. The inside is like spongy and soft, and I don't really like a lot of sugar in biscuits or scones, so I would just say these were incredible. So I'll leave the original recipe and then my little tweaks down below in the description box. But thanks for watching, and I'll see all of you in another video.